So this new meme coin is absolutely crushing it in the market, and we're gonna be talking about a new meme coin that has been in the market and it is absolutely crushing it throughout the market currently. It is a very recent, and it has just been a couple days that it has been listed, and we'll be talking about what movements it is seeing right now, and we'll be talking about how the daily and weekly, it has been less than a week since this is listed, and it is already seeing crazy numbers throughout the movement. So we'll be going over what this coin is seeing. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. And before we do start, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. So let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. So if we go back to the coin market cap homepage, we can see, if we look at the trending, we have our top cryptocurrencies. We have Shiba Inu, a very popular meme coin. We have this coin that we are going to be talking about. It's called SIBONK, and it is up by 86.5% in the past week. So basically, it is seeing a lot of positive movement throughout the week. And we have ego, I think, and one of the top trending cryptocurrencies right now. But let's take a look at SIBONK now, and basically what's happening. And if we just let it load, let's take a look at the daily graph for now. If we look at the current price of SIBONK, it's currently at 405559, up around 91.56% in just the past 24 hours. Absolutely crazy movement. So almost doubled in the past 24 hours, because this is a very recent cryptocurrency. I think it has been just a couple days that it has been listed, so it is moving crazy. So if we talk about the market cap, it is at around $5.4 million right now. And if we talk about the volume, it is even higher than the market cap. We have a volume of around $7.8 million in just the past 24 hours, up around 81% in just the past 24 hours. So more volume than the market cap means this coin is really hyped right now, and it is not very stable, but it is very hyped. So a lot of things going on with SIBONK. If we look at the daily graph right here, we can look at the price in the beginning of the 24 hours. So it was 402905. And if we just take a look at our overall market movement, our top was around 408499. So almost 3 to 4x in just a couple hours. In just let's say we started off at 6 p.m. and we went to 2 a.m. So basically, in just the past couple hours, we have seen crazy movement. In just 6 p.m. to 2 a.m., it has just 3 to 4x. Absolutely crazy numbers we are seeing right now, seeing crazy movements for basically a lot of time. And if we take a look at our current point, we are down from that number. We are only 1 to 2x. But if we now take a look at the 7-day graph, it's not even a full 7 days, because it only has been 3 to 4 days since this has been listed. And it went from 401978, and it went all the way up to, as we talk about, the 84 something number. It is currently, even at the current price, up around 188% in just the past couple hours, in just the past couple of days, because it has been moving crazy 180% in just the past days. So a lot of positive movements happening throughout the market right now. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video, we did talk about what's going on with SIBONK right now. Absolutely crushing it in just the market. So absolutely seeing crazy movements in just the past couple of days, because this is a very recent cryptocurrency. It has been booming very in the past days, and even at the current price, up around 200% in just from where it was listed just a couple days ago, and even in just the past 24 hours it is up around almost 100%. So absolutely crazy things going on with Cybonk. So that was about it for this video, guys. If you are new to this channel, do make sure to check out my daily crypto live streams I do on this channel. So do make sure to check out my daily crypto live streams I do on this channel, keeping you guys updated on what's going on with the overall market right now. And I also do more long form content like this on this channel, talking about any new recent booming cryptocurrencies. So do make sure to check those videos out also. So that was about it for this video, guys. Do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about these videos, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.